back to our channel. Sorry guys kung ngayon lang ako nag-vlog ngayon. And anyways, marami kasi kaming ginawa ngayon. And asynchronous ngayon mga ate ko, 2 days. And madaming pinagawa. Alam nyo na. So ngayon, magme-makeup na naman tayo. As you know, I'm back to well. So let's go na.
A few moments later.
Go. Ano nating product? Hi guys, so this is the final look. So I'm pretty and I'm pretty.
Yes, everyone, Joe. Nasa functioning activity.
Yung makeup natin, mag-eyeliner tayo. So mga ate ko nag-eyeliner na ako.
Kailangan ko lang yung bag ko.
Okay. Nasaan ba yung bag?
Paglabas mo dito, kumaliwa ka. Tapos the first door on your left, andun, pumasok ka doon. Tapos, andun yung bag. Tapos,
Bye-bye!
andun